Here today I'm showing you the FlexFusion styling tool by Shark. And here is your attachment, which is the FlexFusion wet or dry styling brush. So I did want to try that out first. Here is your controls. You're going to have dry setting, which is for touch-ups, you know, at the end of the day when your hair is dry. And then you have the wet setting, which is indicated by the green and the red there. Here is your power and your speed. You have 3 of each. This is really impressive as far as heat. If you like the heat, which will help you hold your curls longer, and this is really good. I've never seen anything close to the heat output this one has. This is your cold shot button. So I'm going to turn it on here. That is on high speed with high heat. This is a good way to get that blowout look, like when you go to the salon, because it kind of pulls on your hair and it's going to give you body. And you can add a little bit of curl to the end. You just give that little bit of turn in, so that also you can brush it up just to give yourself that lift. And this will smooth out your hair really nicely. So I really like this for getting rid of my frizz and just getting that blowout look that I get from the salon at home. This is the closest way that I've found. And again, with the good heat output, I really have achieved that pretty easily. So now I'm gonna go to another one of my favorites. I'm gonna just click this off. And these are the air wraps. I'm in love with these and they work so good. I've tried a lot of air wraps and a lot of different, a lot of other products, but this is my all-time favorite. This is super impressive to me. And believe me, they're not all made equal. I'm not in the best position here. See, and it gives these really pretty soft curls. Leave it on for a little bit. See what pretty curls it makes. And then I just let them cool. And then after they're cool, I just finger them out. And it really is a beautiful, beautiful curls. They're just soft and nice. And it's really fast. It takes me no time to do my hair. So between, these are my favorite tools, but you also get the smoothing. And this is really good for frizz and curl and straightening. And then you get the condenser. So using this as a blow dryer, I'm gonna show you here. Let me just switch real fast. So to use it as a blow dryer, you're just gonna press and then you're gonna switch. So here is your dryer, and if you want the condenser on here, and then this will turn. got really good power and really good heat again. So this is a multitasking tool. I feel like it's replaced 3 of my tools that I very commonly use, and this does a better job at than any of mine that I have. So I'm really impressed. This is my new favorite tool, and I just enjoy doing my hair now because I look forward to using this and the ease, and my results have been so much better.